highway.
Right.
And like I told him, I didn't write you for speeding.
Okay.
I wrote you for speeding. I didn't write you for like 70 to 45.
Okay.
I wrote you exceeding the posted speed limit.
Yes, sir.
Which means, I mean, it just to cover all.
Yes, sir.
It's nicer on your license.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a bike.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This weekend we are at the Tail of the Dragon for the Fall Tougefest event that we have every year. I went last year in the S4. I made a video on that. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, it should be somewhere on my YouTube channel. Just looked like a year ago. But I have a couple groups of people that I'm going to be running with this weekend. But for this weekend, I'm staying with my buddy Gabe. He's got this yellow Supra that he just bought. We've got a couple boosted FRS's BRZs with us as well. I did end up taking the M3, but after driving it last night, doing a couple of test runs, I think the TSX would have been the better choice. I did end up putting a Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus on the back, and for some reason, they're just not hooking. I aired them down all the way to like 25 PSI cold, and yeah, this thing's sliding everywhere. Even with MDM on, it cuts power like every turn, so I don't know if this is a bad batch or what's going on, but I don't know if I need to knock the dust off these tires, but it's really just not hooking. I have PS4Ss up front. Those are fine, but I don't think I've ever had this much traction issues on the Dragon. It's not even really that cold. Today, though, unfortunately, it is a little wet. As you can see, there's a beautiful G80 right there. That thing is sick. But yeah, here's Gabe's Supra. We're going to be doing some pretty cool drives this weekend, but I'm going to pretty much go around and just see what everyone's driving, meet new people. But I'm going to stop talking. We're going to head over to Hellbender and meet up with some people because I'm going to be doing a shoot for a couple guys. So we're going to see some pretty cool cars. We're meeting up with a white E92 M3 on TEs, a white on white S2000 with a hard top, and a couple other guys. Hey, first impression with a Supra?
Very torquey.
It's very torquey.
Very torquey. Well, I like it.
Yeah?
Let's shoot a car.
Alright, so Gabe also has a turbo FRS. Is it FRS or BRZ?
BRZ.
So he has a turbo BRZ. That thing is nasty. How much does it make? Like 400 wheel?
400 wheel now.
So 400 wheel, it's a time attack build.
That's way better.
Really? Yeah. Out of the box, the Supra's better than your built 86.
I would say that.
So this man was moving yesterday. He's on PS4Ss, so that thing gets down and boogies. What about you? What's your setup?
Turbo, coilovers, and tires. Pray to God. That's it. I mean, it's got Fortunatos, JDL kit, stock fuel system, just a bolt-on kit, a couple Varus parts.
Nice.
It's just a normal BRZ build. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, this thing's sick.
Very, very smooth car.
I love the wing on it. It's clean. And how many people are going to be pulled over?
Hopefully not me again.
Hopefully not me either. So we both got tickets yesterday apparently. So hopefully we don't do that again because I don't want to deal with more than one ticket this weekend. A convertible M4, M6, another M6. That thing is sick. Look at that. And then a cop behind them. That is the quietest E92 of the weekend, for sure.
The wing's sick though. We gotta get a wing. What do you think?
All right. So we got the red, white, and blue M3 squad over here. I'm a peasant because I don't have TEs like these guys do, but it'll be okay. We're gonna probably get a flyby video to see how this sounds. Rest in peace to whoever has to freaking record this when I go by. Is your car loud?
Loud. Mine's kind of loud, yeah.
All right, who's volunteering to record? I don't think I've ever seen this before. It's got the F80 M3 wheels on an E46 M3. This is sick. That's probably one of the better like OEM plus wheel setups I've seen.
It cuts a 90 and comes out the bumper, but literally I got it so hot chasing an M2 last night that it literally just fell off. And so it burned a hole in my bumper right here.
Jeez!
So, it's she's down bad.
I love the color of these TEs. These look so good, but it's got the super sick red seats in there. Heck yeah. This thing's awesome. We got a whole squad of cars coming right here. There's 2 Evos, one there, one there. Just made a run down to the Tennessee side, off the bottom of the Dragon. Look at this thing. There's this Ute that's out here. I think it started out as a Dodge Magnum, but this thing is sick. It's got the police lights on it.
You cannot turn them on. You have to basically pull a panel, install a fuse, install a relay back, and then turn it on,
Wide body 86 right here. This thing is freaking sick. Just made it to Tapoco Lodge. Nice little... Alright, the last time I saw a picture of this building, there was a bunch of like old Ferrari GTOs that came from VIR. So it's pretty cool being able to park right here. Gabe doesn't have a parking spot, so I just told him to park in between me and Tab. Pretty good runs. I mean, there was that cop. But other than that, I mean, it was pretty smooth sailing. So, Jake, it's my first time seeing the car.
This is my M2. For some reason, they put a 35i badge at the end of it. I don't really know why.
There's a 240 right there.
Yeah, this is your first time. Melbourne red for the win.
So it's like basically my M3, huh?
Basically, yeah.
But it went to the gym because mine's fat.
Yeah. Even though this weighs just as much as your car does, probably.
Nice, I like it.
It's still
Sheesh. he's on the Clibbins! He's on the Clibbins! Hey, yo! the next morning. It's Sunday. I'm just doing a last few runs. I met up with some of my friends that I went to college with because I haven't been able to get a run with them all weekend. I've been running into them like back and forth, and we've been playing cat and mouse a lot, but I finally ran into them, so we're gonna do a couple runs. But we're closing out the weekend. Unfortunately, came out with a ticket the first night before I even made it on the Dragon, but no one wrecked or anything. No one really broke any cars, so that's always a good thing. But if there's any other videos you guys want to see on the channel in the near future, let me know and I can make that happen. But for now, guys, the E92 kind of let me down because of the tires. I kind of wish I brought the TSX just because that's way faster. on this road at least, because I can use all the power and it's gripped up pretty well. But that being said, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching the Tougefest video. I hope it was pretty entertaining to watch. I got a few good little flybys with the guys driving by, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. What the fuck, yo?
Yeah, we better get out of here.
Someone went off right here.
Yeah.
That's a bike.
Yeah. Fuck.
Holy shit.
Yeah, now's a good time to leave.